Are you looking for ways to make some extra cash using your tech skills? So one option to consider is technical writing. The goal of technical writing is to make technical concept easy to understand for the average reader without using too much jargon. If you have experience writing articles, blogs or documentation, you might be a great fit for this type of work. And the good news is there are plenty of websites out there that will pay you for your technical writing skills. So here are 8 websites to check out. The first one is Medium. Medium is an open platform that allows anyone to share their writing on a wide range of topics. It is well known for hosting a variety of content, including articles, stories, and perspective from both expert and undiscovered voices. As a technical writer, you can use this platform to showcase your skills and reach a wider audience. So one of the benefits of publishing on Medium is the potential to earn money through the platform partner program. By publishing your work on Medium and opting into the program, you can earn money based on the number of views your article receives. According to Medium, the average earnings for a published article range from $3 to $100 per month. With some top performing articles, earnings even more. So if you are interested in technical writing and want to start earning some extra cash, consider publishing your work on Medium. It's a great way to get your writing out there and potentially earn some income while doing it. And the second is Tutorials Point. Tutorials Point is a website that offers step-by-step tutorials on a wide range of technical topics. It is well known among tech professionals and is constantly in need of new content to keep up with the latest technologies. So as a technical writer, you can earn money by writing tutorials for Tutorials Point. This is a great opportunity to showcase your technical knowledge and writing skills and potentially earn a good income from it. According to their website, Tutorials Point pays $250 to $500 per tutorial. This is a competitive rate for technical writing and can be a good way to earn some extra cash. If you are interested in technical writing and want to share your expertise with a wider audience, consider writing for Tutorials Point. Their platform is visited by millions of people each month. So your writing has the potential to reach a large and diverse audience. And because there is always demand for new and updated technical content, you may be able to continuously earn income from your writings on Tutorials Point. And the third is Neptune. Neptune is a metadata store that offers experiment tracking and model registry for machine learning researchers and engineers. If you have a background in artificial intelligence or machine learning, you may be interested in writing for Neptune. They are primarily interested in content related to data science and machine learning. So if these topics are in your expertise, you may be a good fit for their platform. And the fourth one is OffZero. OffZero is a flexible drop-in solution for adding authentication and authorization services to an application. It is easy to implement and adaptable, making it a popular choice among developers. OffZero has a developer blog that is widely read around the world. They publish articles on topics such as identity and security, Python, and other technical topics. As a technical writer, you can earn money by writing for their blog. According to their website, they pay up to $500 per article. If you are interested in technical writing and have expertise in topics such as identity and security or Python, you may be a good fit for writing for OffZero. Their blog is a well-known resource among developers, so you have the opportunity to reach a large and knowledgeable audience with your writings and with the potential to earn up to $500 per article. It's a great way to make some extra cash while sharing your technical knowledge. And the fifth is SidePoint. SidePoint is an online community for web professionals with a large forum, thousands of tutorials, and a variety of educational products. They are a hub for web developers to share their passion for building amazing things on the internet. SidePoint is always looking for articles on topics such as Jamstack, Gatsby, Figma, Rust, and other modern web technologies. If you had expertise in these areas and enjoy writing about web development, you may be a good fit for writing for this SidePoint. According to their website, they pay $250 to $500 per article. This is a competitive rate for technical writing and can be a good way to earn some extra cash. Writing for SidePoint is a great way to share your knowledge and passion for web development with a large and engaged audience. Their community is made up of professionals in the field, so you have the opportunity to reach a knowledgeable and interested audience with your writings. And with the potential to earn $250 to $500 per article, it's a good way to make some extra cash while doing something you love. If you are interested in technical writing and have expertise in topics such as web development, consider writing for SidePoint. And the sixth is LogRocket. LogRocket is a platform that helps software teams create the best possible user experience on their web and mobile products. It does this by providing session replay, error tracking, and product analysis tools tools. The LogRocket blog is a popular source for front-end developers and it covers a wide range of topics related to development. If you are interested in writing for the LogRocket blog, you may be able to earn money by submitting tutorials, style articles for consideration. According to the information provided, the company pays $250 to $400 per article. So it is recommended to visit the company's website or reach out to their team directly to learn more about their submission guidelines and process. It is also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the style and tone of the content published on the LogRocket blog to get a sense of what they are looking for in terms of content and writing style. And the seventh is Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks is a computer science portal that provides a wide range of articles, posts, and tutorials on topics related to computer science, programming, and IT. The platform is designed to help people learn about these subjects and prepare for interviews in the tech industry. If you are interested in writing for Geeks, it seems that you may be able to earn money by submitting educational articles for consideration. According to the information provided, the company pays $50 to $100 per article, and they also offer prizes for high quality content. So it is recommended to visit the company's website or reach out to the team directly to learn more about the submission guidelines and process. It may also be helpful to browse the content on the platform to get a sense of the type of the article and subjects that are typically covered to improve your chances of having your article accepted. It is important to ensure that it is well written, well researched, and provide value to the reader. It is also a good idea to follow the submission guidelines carefully and to proofread your work before submitting it. By following these tips, you can increase the chances of your article being accepted and potentially earning money through Geeks for Geeks platform. The eighth is CSSTrick. CSSTrick is a popular website that covers a wide range of topics related to CSS and web development. It is known for providing high quality resources and tutorials to help developers learn and improve their skills. If you are interested in writing articles for CSSTrick, it's a great opportunity to share your knowledge and expertise with a large audience. The website pays $300 to $400 per post, which is a competitive rate for writing in the tech industry. To start writing for CSSTrick, you first familiarize yourself with the website and its content. This will help you understand the type of the topic and writing style that are most appropriate for the site. You can also visit the website's Write For Us page to learn more about the submission process and guidelines. This page will provide you with information on how to submit your article as well as what type of content are most likely to be accepted. Overall, writing for CSSTrick is a great way to earn money while sharing your knowledge and expertise with a large and engaged audience. If you are passionate about CSS and web development, it's definitely worth considering. So there you have it. If you are a talented writer looking to get paid for your work, these 8 websites are a great place to start with the opportunity to earn $400 or more per article. You can turn your passion for writing into a lucrative career. So remember to hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support is much appreciated and help us to continue providing valuable resources for digital creators, and I think that you will also like these videos, so check them out here.